if everybody can hear me. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to the show. We're testing out the new studio equipment. Want to jump in and say hello? That would be great. Any gifts are appreciated. Hearts, of course, are. Today we're just going to talk while we're testing out this equipment here and see how it goes. Be right back. I got to get something. Be right back. Hold on. Hello, guys. Working on some wiring here. Bear with me here. For wiring and headset right there. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Sound. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I can hear myself now. Anybody in here, give us a thumbs up, please. Welcome to the channel. Is there anybody out there? Say hello. Testing. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. the studio. Studio, studio, studio. Hello, 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 hello. Which one is this? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That sounds better. Can anybody hear me? Hello. All right. Test, 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 test. Let's see if we can play anything on here, maybe. Come on, guys, give me a check, thumbs up. Let me know if you can hear me okay. We're testing the studio equipment. See if it's loud and clear. Hello, 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 hello. Testing, 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 testing. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We're just trying out this new studio equipment. Test, test, test. See, everything looks good. What do you want to talk about today? Any current events, music history, anything like that? Just let me know. Let's turn down the reverb. Test, test, test. That sounds good. See if these buttons are working. Well, you know the rest. Just making sure all these buttons are working here. How about now? Hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome to the show. Hello. How about now? Now I'm in Barry White mode. How about now? Hello. Hi. How you doing? Uh-oh, what's this one? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Hello. 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 Testing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Let's do original sound. There's original sound. We're back to normal. Gotta love these soundboards. We have the, what's it called? Core Fly. Looks like the KF-01 works pretty well. Let's see, what's this one here? I don't know what this one is. Testing 1, 2, studio effect. Lead singer effect. Hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. I think this one works the best. That's if you're singing, it's perfect for that. Yay. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool equipment. I think it sounds awesome. Now we're in studio effect and lead singer. You can also switch to original sound, or rap mode, or pop songs, electronic singing, internal recordings on. Come on, guys, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you very much. Don't want to push that button. That one's for the microphone, main microphone. Test, test, test. How about now? Can you hear me okay now? Bring it down a little bit. Put on the noise reduction. Got fans and air cons going in this room. Let's see. Anything else? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's too bad we can't play music for you on YouTube. They don't like that kind of stuff, copyrights and all that good thing. But we can talk about music, music history, current events, news. Has anybody heard anything on the news about Iran or Israel or anything like that? I heard last night or yesterday that Iran bombed one of the U.S. bases, I guess around Qatar or something like that. And the U.S. gave the green light to Israel, so I don't know what's going on over there right now. We get some updates on YouTube News. Sorry about the wind noise. Gotta have fans here. We're in the Philippines, Porac, Pampanga, on Luzon Island in the Philippines. Enjoying the beautiful people and the beautiful culture. Almost all the Spanish countries have a great culture and a great people, very hospitable people. Not so much for the governments, but the people are awesome. Gotta love the people everywhere we travel, whether it's Japan or I think the first time we went through South Korea, didn't care too much about Korea, but Japan treated us like we were royalty. Really, really great country to visit. Even just passing through the airport, they were amazing, amazing people. Like I said, they treated us like VIPs every step of the way. Even on the flight, we flew. What was it? Anna? I think it was Anna. ANA out of Tokyo. We were from the U.S. to Tokyo, and amazing flight attendants. Everybody was amazing. Even after we came through the gate off the plane, they were waiting there to help us with the bags or carry-ons, and everything was amazing trip. And the last time we went through, yeah, we went through Tokyo, and then we came to the Philippines from there. So traveling from U.S. to Southeast Asia, I guess you can call it, was an amazing experience. We came in 2019 the first time and decided to go back to the U.S. and sell everything and move full time to the Philippines. Plus, if you're on a limited retirement income or something like that, the Philippines is an amazing place to be when you bring your American dollars here. Thank God my wife is retired already. I still have 2 more years, 2 more to go. Actually, 1.5, something like that. Then I'll be able to claim my SS from the US and relax full time and also enjoy doing these YouTube videos. It's amazing. Maybe one day I'll make it on a radio station here in the Philippines. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I did that before right out of high school. I was on a radio station called WVRM 89.3 FM in New Jersey, but the studio was in New York. I used to have to record a show there. And that's where we get the name of the channel. Kapampangan's for the Philippines, where we're at. We're in the Kapampangan area. The Kapampangan language is spoken. And they have like many languages here, depending which region you're in or which part of the country you're in. The basic language is Tagalog here in the Philippines, which is spoken everywhere. That's the national language. The Second one, I think, is US. That's another reason why we picked this country. One of the few countries that actually 90% of the people speak fluent English, which is nice. Makes life easier when you're shopping or going anywhere, meeting people. You say good morning, they understand you. They say good morning back. That kind of thing. It's important. Some countries, it's very hard to speak the language, like Vietnam or Thailand. I'm too old. I'm an old dog, and I can't learn new tricks. So this makes it a whole lot easier here in the Philippines. Had an opportunity, possibly one time. Geez, last time I was on the radio was in the '80s, which is why I have a majority of shorts from '80s music, '70s, '80s, '90s. That's my thing, I guess. It was in the '80s, '83. As soon as I graduated high school in '83, I was on the radio in New York City in a studio. It was called NBS Radio, and they had a network called the Kaleidoscope Network, and you were able to play whatever format music you wanted according to the station you were on, that kind of thing, or assigned to. It was all pre-recorded. Like I did a top 10 countdown, so that made it pretty easy. We just counted down the most popular music according to Billboard at the time. Whatever was the top 10 for Billboard charts, we basically played that music in the studio. We had to play commercials. Back then it was big 8-track tapes. We had to put it in the machine. Now I think it's so much easier as long as you're computer savvy. Most everything is on the computers now. Most radio station studios, the music's on a hard drive basically or a database. There's no more vinyl records or anything like that being played like I used to have to play. And we had vinyl records. We had reel to reels, these big reels with tape on them that had to go through a reel to reel, from one reel to the other reel, and that had music or pre-recorded shows on it. One thing I enjoyed was the press pass. They gave us an ID card for the station, which was a press pass. We were able to go backstage and interview people, interview artists. I got to meet Jody Watley from the group Shalimar. Before she left Shalimar, I met her at Radio City Music Hall backstage. That was amazing in New York City. Got to meet at another station there I was visiting. It was called WBLS New York City in Manhattan. I think it was Upper East Side or something. The studio was there. I was coming down in the elevator. Um, that Spanish group Menudo, they were coming in. It was an amazing experience. Got to talk to those guys. They were like young teenagers, but all the girls outside, my God, waiting in the crowds, waiting for them was amazing. Amazing experience meeting them. So it's great. Radio life is great. That's where the name of the channel, like I was saying, comes in. Kapampangan, radio, and then life. Also throwing in there that I'm now a licensed amateur radio operator here in the country of the Philippines. I hold an NTC license for the National Telecommunication Commission, and I'm thinking about doing a show talking about radios, two-way radios, everything amateur radio, even music, 80s, 90s, the 2000s. It was an amazing time. I remember going to a stadium in Long Island, New York, and saw a group there called Loverboy, and they were amazing too. My God, the neon. I don't know if you ever been to one of their shows. They had these laser beams shooting over the crowd's head. What an amazing show that was. My God. Being in the front row was nice because of the radio station and that kind of thing. They always gave us VIP tickets in the first 5 rows, that kind of thing. So that was amazing, amazing doing that. Hoping one day maybe I can do it here in the Philippines. I don't know. Well, we'll see if God willing, right? God willing, maybe that'll happen one day, and we'll try it. Check it out. Sure, I'm going to need some training on the new computerized everything, but we'll check it out. Guys, thank you for watching and helping me test this new equipment. We love Love you guys and thank you for the support. Please share the channel with your friends. The more subscribers, of course, and the more likes and the more watch time hours we get. You know how YouTube is. Got to have the combination. Used to be all subscribers. So my friends at YouTube, Google back in the day said, "Yo, you got to do a lot of shorts and this and that. Do the music in the shorts. You're allowed 60 seconds, that kind of thing, 60 seconds or less." So we did that. That got our subscribership up numbers, but now we need watch time hours. We need people to watch all the videos. So every so often we're going to do a live and hope you watch. Come back soon. Share with your friends, please. Watch, watch, watch to the whole thing, all the way to the end, okay? Thank you and have a great night, great day wherever you're located in here in the Philippines. I don't know what time it is now. It is almost 10:30, 10:25 p.m. p.m. on the 17th. I guess if you're in the US, it's still the 16th, maybe. We're about 12 hours ahead of the US. But if you're in Brazil, I'm not sure. If you're in Brazil, let me know what time it is there. Let me know what time it is, guys. Where you're located. Type it in the chat. Guys, thanks for watching. We're going to end this now and say our goodbyes. We love you guys. Like I said, keep watching. Share the channel, please. We need people to watch all the videos that we have. Thank you so much. Have a great day.